Hi Kiran, Namaste, welcome.
Thank you, Harika.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for inviting me into this sacred space.
Thank you for coming. Let me just introduce you to all our viewers. So, friends, Kiran Anubala Sethi, he is a trustee of Quantum Life University and he is a past life regression facilitator, a teacher, he is a trainer of QLU. He also conducts webinars in Telugu, in English, and in India and abroad. So many wonderful teachings, and so many people have benefited through his teachings, through his sessions. Personally, he also gives personal sessions at Life Foundation office where I am right now, and he is an amazing person. So about him, he says that his awakening started after taking medication for 10 years and suffering all the side effects. Kiran made a choice to stop medicines and start listening to his illness. It helped him to listen to his deeper calling and change his life. In the course of self discovery, he met his teachers, Dr. Newton Kundaviti and Dr. Lakshmi Newton, founders of Life Foundation and QLU. Receiving their guidance, love, and wisdom, Kiran deeply healed himself and discovered his gifts of therapy and teaching. He is an authorized trainer and trustee of QLU. As I already mentioned, he is also an Indian Advisory Board member of the Association for Regression and Reincarnation Research, which is also founded by Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi. He regularly teaches at the beautiful Maitreya Center in Prague. Over to Kiran now for the beautiful wisdom sharing session. Thank you, Kiran.
Thank you, Harika, for that beautiful introduction. And I would like to express my deep gratitude to my teachers, Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi, for giving me everything without asking any time. They exactly know what I need at the right time. And through those holding hands, I have evolved and I have discovered and continue to discover myself. I would like to share today about the healing retreats at QLU. The healing retreats, okay. Um, so, as Rajshekhar sir shared already, there are 5 healing retreats that happen regularly at QLU. And many participants experienced deep healing and um, transformation in their lives after attending these 6-day healing retreats. And I personally um, enjoyed all these retreats. I had profound inner experiences during these times. It is as if we enter a different kind of time and space. We enter a different dimension altogether when we are in these 6-day retreats. And this is the experience reported by so many participants. And it is very difficult to talk about each of these retreats in just 20 minutes. But I will share from my own personal experiences some glimpses of what happens at these retreats. So, the first 2-day healing workshop is past life regression and spiritual science, uh, started by Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi in 2001. This is the starting point for the healing workshops. So, it is 20 years. Over these 20 years of long period, really these retreats and workshops have evolved tremendously, and in its both in its depth, breadth, and also the outreach. And the first 6-day healing intensive retreat, which is a residential retreat, is the art and science of past life regression. It started in year 2005. um, And then many other healing modalities Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi discovered, and they brought this wisdom in the form of compact 6-day retreats, uh, and they showered that wisdom to many participants with their unconditional love. Close to 2,500 people attended these retreats in the last 15 years, and more than 10,000 people attended the 2-day healing workshops across the globe, not only in India, but in several countries across the world. This wisdom has reached. And there are free foundational courses like the Soul Coach Training Program or the meditation, weekend meditation classes, and group regressions. So Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi touched more than 1 million people through these foundational courses. The first healing retreat I would like to share a little bit about is the art and science of past life regression. This is a beautiful modality. It is highly therapeutic, and it is root cause therapy. For whatever problems or challenges we are facing in our lives, they can be traced back to the root cause in the past. And we carry the karmic impressions, the karmic baggage from the past lives, and it slowly becomes the part of our unconscious. So here the traumas from the past lives are brought into conscious mind, into the light, and they are healed. So this retreat is not only just for healing, but it is also part of a training curriculum to become certified past life regression therapists. And it is a mandatory program to become a certified therapist. So it is a highly professional training course. Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi taught us with so much of patience. And so one of the things that I learned in this training program is how to really be with this patience and compassion and holding the space for the client, and how to be just a midwife, how to be non-directive, and at the same time in using your complete presence create a shift in the therapy session. It is a beautiful art and science, and uh, everyone should learn this art, undergo this shift, because it really touches the deeper layers of our being, because we are not just this physical, mental and emotional layers. We are much beyond that. We are souls incarnated in these physical bodies, and that is the essence of past life regression. We come in close contact with who we truly are. And the second healing retreat, which I want to share, is the inner child retreat. This is the most favorite retreat for many participants. And this is also my personal favorite retreat, and Dr. Newton's favorite retreat also, he mentioned in one of the sharings. So we are all born as beautiful, creative, wondrous, and spontaneous children, who are full of life. And something happens during the childhood, during the long childhood. The child, at some point, due to the unmet needs, due to certain kind of trauma or abandonment or physical, sexual, or emotional abuse, the child goes into a hiding place. It draws itself, and because the child is vulnerable, it wants some protection, so it creates some ego defenses and withdraws. And it is good during that time to, because it cannot really depend on any other external sources, so it creates the ego defenses. But once we grow up into adults, we continue those ego defenses, and they create a severe threat to our existence. We cannot truly live happily. We cannot really bring our creative gifts outside. And we bring misery and pain into our relationships. So this inner child retreats helps us to awaken that child again, assure that child that I am there for you and it is a safe place. Now we can together be in this world with our true gifts. We can be truly happy now. So it's a very, very deep and touching process, because the child is the source of all joy, of all happiness, of all love. So one will become self-loving truly after this retreat. I personally discovered my self-love after this retreat. Till then, I was not aware of this possibility that I can love myself. I was carrying huge amount of low self-esteem, unworthiness, and for the first time, I experienced what is self-love, what is truly authentic self, what is my own uniqueness. I discovered my gifts of teaching and therapy through this retreat, and this inner child work continues in my life because it is such a deep and profound modality. We have to stay with this inner child. We have to keep assuring this child that this world is safe and we can together be there for each other. So I welcome you all to experience this inner child healing, profound healing that happens during this retreat. And each and every human being on earth who is now grown up into an adult should experience this inner child healing. It is must. And then only one can be truly happy. So the third retreat is the life between lives. So it is the profound wisdom of afterlife states. After we vacate the body, we die, and before we incarnate into a new body, what happens to us? So that is the essence of LBL. We navigate through a rich structure of various higher dimensions, and there is beautiful order in these higher dimensions. So during this retreat one experiences those higher dimensions, that order and that higher eternal love, and one gains clarity on their soul design, soul purpose. They meet their guides, higher beings who are so full of love. They help us to review our past lives. They help us integrate the experiences from those lives into the present life, and let go of the past and take only the essence and the wisdom from the past. And they also gently and lovingly help us plan our future incarnation, to which parents, to in what life circumstances we want to be born. So there is so much of free will here, but there is also loving guidance of the masters and guides. So for me, I personally was very reluctant in these dimensions to come back to the earth plane until I met Dr. Newton in these higher dimensions. I saw Dr. Newton uh, as a higher being who is assisting with the birth of stars and planets in the universe. So I approached this master, and this master gently helped me to incarnate into this physical plane, assured me that I will be there with you and it is safe in the earth plane. I was afraid of the dense emotions of the earth plane, and it was not very easy for me to make a choice. And with the guidance of Dr. Newton, I made this choice, and I realized that. And after that, my death urge, unconscious death urge, is completely healed, and I am so ever grateful for my teachers, for guiding me in this physical plane as well as in the higher realms. So, past life regression and then LBL, they complement each other. Past life regression is the foundation for higher exploration into the life between life states. Dr. Newton calls this LBL process as Brahmastra, which is very, very powerful. When nothing else works, then one uses Brahmastra. LBL is like that. Anything can be achieved. Illnesses can be dissolved. Relationships can be transformed. You can align to your higher purpose, create the life you want. There are infinite possibilities that can be achieved through LBL regression. So the next beautiful modality, each of these modalities are like a ocean, and it requires several years of practice to master any of one each modality. And family constellations and transgeneration healing is one such powerful therapeutic modality. And I personally experienced huge benefits from it. Family constellation takes the inner child work to the next level. We heal our relationship with parents. We also let go of any unconscious baggage that we are carrying from our ancestors. There are certain patterns and problems that are repeating in the families. We inherit them from our ancestors. So those are dealt with. The family dynamics, beautiful family dynamics, can be brought to light, and the orders of love are very important. Dr. Lakshmi and Dr. Newton, they beautifully explain these orders of love and help in these constellations, how these orders of love can be gently restored, how one can go back to their original place in the family, come out of these false roles and become truly unique and authentic. So then it is a liberating experience. We need not be someone else. We need not have the blind love, and we can truly be who we are. We need not take care of the burden of the parents. All we have to do is just receive their love, become small in front of them. Such eternal truths are experientially taught in this family constellations retreat, and the process itself is amazing. There are representatives for each of the characters of the family, and these persons will be acting as representatives, and then some higher force, which Dr. Newton calls it as the field. This field will take care of the energy movement in the constellation, and it is just beautiful, sheer beauty and art to watch Dr. Newton conducting these family constellations. And personally, our family was carrying a pattern from the past 4 generations, the early loss of children, which was completely healed through FC conducted by Dr. Newton. And I am so ever grateful for this beautiful gift of profound healing in our family. And each one of you can experience this. It is for everyone. All families should go through family constellation and transgenerational healing. Only then a family can be truly liberated. And the last one, the fifth one, is the breath mastery retreat. Breath is something which everyone has. There is no being who doesn't possess breath. And this breath is a tool for healing, for discovery, for spiritual growth, and for mastering one's own life. So using this breath as a tool, one can go into the inner depths. So in this retreat, Um, one uses the breath and really understands the power of conscious, connected, rhythmic breaths, and clear the energetic blocks coming from the past. And they also align themselves on a path which is their uh, path of their higher self, which is what they are meant to be. During this retreat, I had a very powerful life shifting experience inside the water. Dr. Newton was gently holding me and helping me um, doing this breath. And there was so much resistance, so many blocks, so much of pain, but there's something magical about this breathing process inside water. I instantly went into my womb memories, and from the womb I went into a series of warm holes, energetic holes, and through those tunnels I traveled, and I finally, after which looked to me like several hours, but it was a 45 minutes process. I landed up in a beautiful higher dimensional world, which is full of light and energy. And I instantly felt that that is my true home. I truly belong to this place. And from there, I gently came back and into the arms of my teacher, as if it was my rebirth. And I started seeing the world from a new set of eyes from that moment. My unconscious death urge completely healed, and my illness also started reversing from that moment. I monitored my ESR levels, and they came down from 100 to 4, which indicates that my ankylosing spondylitis is completely reversed after attending these healing retreats. So they are deeply therapeutic and life transforming retreats. Within just a span of 6 days, one can achieve so much in these with these retreats. So there are several layers of healing that one has to go through to achieve that wholeness or completeness, which are the inner child imprints, and then the fetal imprints or the birth trauma, and the family and transgenerational layer, and then comes the past life samskaras, and then the soul plan and the soul design. So each layer is dealt with in one healing modality, and the breath is uh, very unique and special because it touches all the layers, and it can heal at these various layers where we can accumulate trauma and bring into our lives. So these healing retreats are designed in such a way that they together create a very holistic model. They are the part of the school of healing of the first Jnanapita, and also the school of um, holistic living of the third Jnanapita, which Dr. Preeti has talked about. So they really form the foundation for a holistic life, a happy life, a meaningful and creative life. And there are then healing 2-day workshops. Um, so these workshops and retreats have evolved over a period of 20 years. And Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi, they continue to add more and more therapeutic modalities. They bring these wisdom and make them available in such a simple and profound way to everyone. So past life regression and spiritual science, that is the basic 2-day workshop, which is a prerequisite for doing these the higher retreats, the 6-day retreats, and the 2-day inner child healing, 2-day family constellation workshop, and 2-day sacred breath workshop, and self mastery, really gaining mastery over our mind, body, and emotions. And then the 2-day radiant relationships workshop, it helps for people to truly understand how to be in a relationship, how to be authentic, how to be vulnerable at oneself, and also heal any relationship issues in their lives. The consciousness heals is a 2-day workshop which is more specifically intended for healing illnesses and physical and mental illnesses. Just by becoming that pure undivided consciousness, one can bring about a shift in their illness. One can bring about healing and wellness. So the money and spirituality, uh, how to really be uh, a how to really shift your energy and invite, welcome abundance into our lives. So that is very profound 2-day workshop. Many people were able to deal and resolve their issues related to finances, money, and abundance. So Kundalini Energy is a 2-day workshop. In 2 days, one experiences the intense healing across all the layers, the 7 chakras, and then completes the microcosmic orbit. So it is a very powerful experience. The Kundalini wisdom or the Kundalini science is simplified and brought to the accessibility of everyone through this 2-day workshop. And the last one is the New Self, New Creation workshop, where um, we will learn how to discover our true and authentic selves. And from that new self, we really create a new future, which is effortless creation, which is spontaneous creation. And this new self is truly who we are, and which has been waiting for us all along. So, in this workshop, you will learn a 3-step process on how to understand the old self and how to step into the unknown and learn the beautiful art of surrender, and then finally step into the new self. So, friends, there are going to be, as I mentioned, Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi are continuously expanding the scope and breadth of these healing modalities. In future, as Dr. Newton announced, there is going to be business constellations done. Shortly, it will be launched in Vietnam. This is for the family constellation principles can be beautifully applied to any system. A business is also a system, organization is also a system, but they require a very different approach. It's a beautiful art that Dr. Newton and Lakshmi are going to bring, which we are all eagerly waiting to learn this art. And another future retreat is the Bardo Facilitator Retreat. This is a extension of the LBL wisdom. This is based on the Tibetan Bardo wisdom. Bardos are layers of consciousness, after death layers, after death realms, and the Bardos are full of possibilities to heal. And by becoming a Bardo facilitator, what a facilitator does is gently use each Bardo and bring about enormous healing and profound shift by accessing these Bardos. So this is also going to be another profound, insightful, and very, very deep healing retreat, which again we are all waiting for this retreat. And relationship counselors retreat is the third one, which is going to be introduced. This will help people gain in-depth wisdom about relationships, how to heal their own personal relationships, and also learn how to counsel relationship problems. 6 days of dedicated wisdom and healing on just the relationships topic. It's going to be really beautiful. And with this, I would like to thank the QLU Sangha, Harika, for giving me this beautiful opportunity to talk about such a deep topic. And I'm also, once again, my deep gratitude to sir and ma'am for their presence in my life. And always I am a baby in front of my teachers. I bow down to them, and I choose to learn in this lifetime from their energy and from their presence. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you so much for sharing in detail about all the wonderful healing retreats that we conduct at QLU and all the workshops and all the upcoming retreats also. It is so helpful for people to know. It's like you've introduced us to the entire course of courses, all the courses of QLU. It's beautiful. Thank you. Thanks
Thank
to
you.
our
Thank
masters
you,
for
Harika.
giving us this opportunity.